Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect Bluetooth in your Ford Taurus. First, make sure your vehicle is running and the radio is on. Then, locate and press the phone button on your car's audio system. You'll then navigate through the menu to find the option to add a device or pair device. This initiates the pairing process, allowing your car to become discoverable. Once your car is ready, grab your mobile phone and turn on its Bluetooth feature. Your phone will then begin searching for nearby devices. Look for Sync in the list of available devices and select it. A 6-digit PIN will appear on both your car's display and your phone. Confirm these numbers match to proceed with the connection. With your phone successfully paired, you can now make and receive calls hands-free. To make a call, simply press the phone button and use a voice command, or dial the number directly. When a call comes in, you'll hear it through your car's speakers. Just press the phone button to answer. Beyond calls, you can also stream audio from your phone. Simply select Bluetooth audio as your media source on the car's system. Then, start playing your favorite music, podcasts, or audiobooks on your paired mobile device. You can conveniently control playback, like skipping tracks or adjusting volume, directly from your car's audio system controls.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.